Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. If it is your very first time here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use choux pastry 3 different ways. Now I'm going to part this video into 3, so this is part 1. I'm going to be making some churros, which is technically just deep fried choux pastry. So here I would like to mention that you need to have a clean bowl. It shouldn't be sticking to the sides. So yeah, that will show you that it's ready. And then once it is ready, you put it into your mixer with a paddle attachment and whisk all the air out, like all the hot air, because you cannot add eggs to a hot dough, otherwise your eggs will scramble. As you can see, I'm feeding each time to check when it's ready, and it is. So you're going to add your eggs one at a time. As I mentioned in the end, this will be the perfect consistency for churros, but you'll understand what I mean when you get to the end. So I only added the last egg because I am making 3 different products here, and if you do want to see the other products, don't forget to like this video. It should be dropping consistency. There we go. The trick here is to put a little bit of choux pastry at the bottom of that paper so that it sticks down when you're piping, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, okay. Delicious, and okay, basically magunya, like with cinnamon sugar on the outside, but they didn't come out as churros, and I think that's because I froze them for 2 days. So in the future, if you want to do churros, definitely follow this recipe, but don't add the last egg into this whole recipe, and then I'll explain it more in the description box, but then take it and like fry, like pipe out as you fry, if that makes any sense. If I find a clip online, I'll insert it now so that you guys can understand what I mean. But yeah, this looks good. Still gonna post it on my Instagram.